Here's how you can go about rotating your home screen into the landscape view mode. So this is for Pixel phones and running Android 15 or 16. So if you either made a mistake and now your view on the home screen is like this here, or you want it to be like this here, here is the setting for that to get into that. To get into the landscape view mode for your home screen, just go ahead and long press a blank area. You want to make sure you do it like this and go to home settings right here. And now that you're in the home settings area, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see landscape mode. Set home screen into landscape mode. Now once you do this, everything will be in the landscape view mode, and you'll notice even that'll switch around like this here. So now you'll have your apps looking like this here. And of course, if you open up an app, you will be taken into this here, or you can have it rotate back into the portrait mode here. But once you're back to the home screen, it'll look like this here. Now, in order to switch back, just go ahead and do the same thing, except this time you will have to do it while viewing into the landscape mode. And just come back to the bottom and disable it, and you're good to go. And ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.